Okay, it's going to be the Railroad Square liquidation of woodworkers, tools, and collectibles auction. Go to rayauction.com for more information on date. There's everything from large fans to cast iron to big water containers, water troughs, vintage paintings. That's my phone going off. I'll answer it later. 99% of the stuff here is comfort. So there's tons of large driftwood and woodworking tools. A bunch of chemist equipment. Lots of marble. Big press drills, big compressors. Radial saws, all kinds of woodworking stuff, all kinds of woodworking tools, tons and tons of it, large beams, tons and tons of really nice wood. If you're a woodworker, you don't want to miss this one. It's all got to go. Selling a lot of the plants and stuff in back here also. There's just so much here that it's really hard to see right now, but we'll get more pictures up as we go. But this is going to be a good little auction. I mean, we've just scratched the surface right now. Lots of vintage woodworking tools. Again, go to rayauction.com and we'll have more information up. That's rayauction.com.